first step in creating hair cards in ZBrush is to highlight the area you want the cards to be. When making hair cards, you should ideally make several separate groups of hair, so only select what is needed for the first group, in this instance the top of the head. Next you need to go into the refinements section and select a hair type from the Lightbox Fibers menu. After doing this, you need to reduce the amount of fibers to a manageable and game-ready amount. In this model is 0.5 on the max fibers. Change the length profile to match how long you want your character's hair to be and change the coverage to the fibers to the maximum of 5,000. After doing this, you can set the gravity to a lower amount and press accept to ready for the next part of the process, which is the styling. While styling your character's hair, you should make sure that the cards conform to the curves of the head to allow for a more natural look. The main tools to be used for the hair cards are the groom hair tools, using them to shape how you see fit, and the move tool, which can be used to add some volume to the hair. When you're pleased with the shape of your hair, you can use the UV map tool using the fiber UV settings to map out the UVs for the hair cuts. After doing this, you'll need a hair alpha. This can be from online or made by simply making a white hair texture on a black background. Go to your texture map just below the UV map selection and apply this hair texture by importing it, setting the transparency slider to 22 to get rid of the black. You can render this in ZBrush using the BPR render tool setting, but this does not effectively show what the in-engine hair will look like. You will next need to export each section you want in the engine using the export button in the top right corner. After importing your models into the engine, in this case Unreal, you can view how your model is looking. As well you will notice the black will still be on the hair cards and the hair will not quite resemble your ZBrush renders. fix this, you'll need to make a masked material with the alpha and the opacity mask. For this in-game material, I set up a roughness so the hair isn't too shiny. You can finish the hair cards and add hair color to see the final result. In this case, the hair seems to have gone well from a distance, but the blown up model shows that there are some patching issues. Looking back, I see these could probably have been fixed by layering the haircuts some more, and perhaps adding another layer of hair at a different angle to the base, as well as using the two-sided option on the Unreal material, as this would stop the other side of the hair cards from being viewed through.